In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in Google Slides, a handy feature that can help enhance team collaboration and improve the feedback process on your presentations. Whether you're working on a school project, a business proposal, or any other type of presentation, comments can be a fantastic way to communicate thoughts and suggestions without cluttering the slides themselves. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to open up your presentation in Google Slides. Once you've got that presentation open, you'll need to identify where exactly you'd like to add a comment. This can be quite flexible, so here are a few options to consider. Perhaps you want to comment on a piece of text to suggest edits or ask a relevant question. Or maybe there's an image or shape that needs some feedback. If you prefer a more general remark about a slide as a whole, you can select the slide background. This broader approach is great for overarching comments or high-level observations. Now that you've selected the part of the slide requiring your input, let's move on to actually adding that comment. Google Slides makes this process quite intuitive, offering several ways to insert your thoughts. The first method is through the toolbar at the top, where you should find an icon that looks like a speech bubble, usually labeled Add Comment. Clicking this icon will open a box where you can type in your remarks. This method is especially straightforward and visible. Alternatively, for those who prefer to work with the context menu, you can right-click the selected area on the slide. This will bring up a context menu with various options. Scan through these choices and look for the option that says Comment. Clicking there will allow you to add the comment in much the same way as through the toolbar. For those of you who like keyboard shortcuts, Google Slides has you covered. If you're using a Windows computer, simply press Ctrl+Alt+M. Users on a Mac can use the equivalent shortcut for their system. This is particularly useful for those who are constantly navigating their slides and want to streamline their workflow without lifting their fingers from the keyboard. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly insert comments into your Google Slides presentations, making it easy to collaborate and exchange ideas. Whether you're offering detailed feedback on specific sections or just want to leave a quick suggestion, these methods will save you time and help maintain clarity in your communication. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I encourage you to explore all the possibilities that Google Slides comments offer for enhancing your presentations.